The matter on leadership and genetics has been discussed and researched on. Are leaders born or made? Some scientists feel strongly about genetic and biological factors and their link with leadership. The interest in the link between genetics and leadership are sparked by people from the same family that assume leadership positions in society. The Kennedys and the Bush family are two examples. More than genetics, science is also looking at biological and physical traits that leaders possess. There are studies that show how genetics contribute to the physiological and psychological functions of a person. These will eventually affect the person's cognitive and behavioral traits, which determine if the person is fit for leadership. Hormones and chemical changes in the body affect a person's cognitive functioning. When it comes to leadership, it's always a question about nature versus nurture. However, both are intertwined with each other and cannot be separated. Leadership cannot be discussed without considering both at the same time. Case in point would be chemical and hormonal changes in the body that will affect the disposition of the person. The disposition will affect the attitude and behavior, which are huge factors in leadership. An example would be a person that is suffering from a bipolar disorder. People with bipolar disorder tend to exhibit very drastic mood swings, easily switching from euphoria to depression. There are several causes of bipolar disorder, including neurotransmitters that are hereditary. Their bipolar tendencies will affect their personality, which will affect their leadership style. This is not to say that bipolar people are not capable leaders. In fact, the greatest leaders in the world were reportedly bipolar, such as Abraham Lincoln, Winston Churchill, and Napoleon Bonaparte. Their drastic mood swings, however, may have negative effects on their leadership and establishing trust with their followers. External factors, nurture in leadership, cannot also be ruled out. There are certain environments that are conducive for holding leaders. The environment plays a huge role in shaping the ideals, opinions, and values of a person. If young children are brought up by parents that promote pro-social behavior, the children will grow up overcoming unreasonable aggression and form healthy relationships with their peers. Role models account